Here's the glam wrap-up for Sarah Silverman's Grammy Press Day look. For Sarah's foundation, I used No Makeup Makeup's Minimalist foundation, and I used a combination of two shades, the light and the light medium. And it almost feels like a balm, but it's buildable and almost weightless on the skin, and Sarah loves that. Also on her lips, I used the Blush Lip Duo in Plum. To prep Sarah's skin, I used Dew Ritual by Farmhouse Fresh, and it's a facial oil. It's packed with amazing ingredients. But what I care about is it locks in moisture in a very sheer, weightless way, and foundation just glides on. Sarah has really great full arches, and I just gave them a little nudge with my very own Brett Brow Duo Shade Pencil in Dark Brunette. And then I iced it with a little of my clear Arch Control Gel.